Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to download songs and playlists for offline use on Spotify. Let's get right into it. First, you want to go to the search bar over here, and then you want to enter the song that you want to download. And then here, you'll see this download icon over here. Tap it. And as you can see, it has been downloaded. And if you want to download your playlist, go to the library, then here you'll see your playlist. And then here you want to tap this over here. And then you'll see this download option over here. Then you download it. And you've downloaded your playlist. So why download music and music? Downloading music lets you enjoy it anytime, even without an internet connection, which can be perfect for traveling or saving on data usage. And basically that is it. Alright guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.